Okay, I'm not gonna compare Soviet system, Soviet Union with America. No, it's totally was different. I named the good stuff over there necessary for living, for the working people to have that. It's important. Medical, education, free, and houses. But over here, everything's so complicated. I'm telling my kids, I don't think the air is free. Maybe we're paying for air to breathe also. Think about everywhere you turn your face or your back, money. How much money? It's I don't know. I cannot even think. I don't want to think. It, it's bothering you to live, to be stable, to be happy. If you're not happy, you cannot make the others happy in the family members. I mean, so I better do not talk about money.